Hello, good day. My name is Vasung Gampat, and today I'm going to show you how to join clients to your domain. Alright, welcome to my tutorial. First I'm going to show you how to do an NS lookup before we move forward. So I'm just going to basically go on my DSN, click on this, launch NS lookup, and as you can see, the name of my DSN server is showing superfactory.superlab.com. So I'm going to just basically put in my IP address 192.168.0.1, and you see my name has came up, and I'm going to put in the name of my computer. Right, and voila, IP address has come in, the name of the server, name of the PC, and the name of the address. So let's continue. So I'm basically gonna go on to my Windows XP. First of all, we are going to join our PCs to our domain, which is superlab.com, which we done our previous tutorials. So first of all, we check our network adapters. Alright, we go on devices, we click network adapters. Right, as you can see, all of mine's on bridged adapter, allow all, and okay, click OK on that. So then we're gonna go on next client, which is Windows 7. Right, we're gonna check our device adapter on this, our network adapter. Our network adapter on this is bridged. You must remember each adapter on each network, especially on our server, must be showing that's a bridge adapter, and that all is allowed. Okay, because if you don't do this, our interconnections with our server and our PCs will not work. Because remember, you want to allow access to the server so you can be able to share information. Right, so now we're basically gonna check our server network adapter too. Right, bridge adapter, allow all. Okay, so all our adapters are set and are ready. So now we go to our Windows XP. Alright, so we're gonna start with our Windows XP. We're gonna right click on our network setting, our network here. We're gonna open network connections. Right, I'm gonna open up this some more. I'm gonna right click on this, click properties. Right, internet protocol properties. You're gonna pin our IP address. I'm gonna use the IP address 192.168.0.2. Right, our subnet mask comes up automatically, 192.168.0.1. Remember that our server IP address was this, so we want to basically connect this PC, our Windows XP PC, to our server. So we're going to use 2. This is our PC number 2. So we're going to put our preferred DSN server. Alright, we're going to put 192.168.0.1. Alright, so this is our loopback address. Click OK. Close. Now basically I was running across some problems, so meaning for you to just make sure that your settings are good, I'm going to go on my firewall settings. Right, I'm going to click on file and print sharing, and that's all. I'm going to click OK on this. Right, I'm going to minimize this. Now I'm going to our Windows 7 one. I'm going to right click here too, open network and sharing center. Right, go on local area network. Right, properties. Alright, so let's configure this. I'm gonna unclick this because you're gonna use Internet Protocol version 4. I'm gonna click that. Properties. I'm going to use the following IP address. So before we had used 192.168.0.2. 2. So on this one, we're going to use 3 because this will be our second PC, but our second client, right? And this will be our third PC, right? I'm going to put in our IP address again, 192.168.0.1, right? 192.168.0.1. So that's our loopback address. I'm going to click on this, validate settings upon exit. Okay, close. I'm gonna go on advanced sharing settings. I'm gonna turn on network discovery. I'm going to turn on file share and print sharing. I'm going to turn on this public folder sharings, and that's all. I'm going to save this, right? And that's basically it. So I'm going to cancel this. Alright, I'm going to basically use our command prompt. I'm going to click on programs, accessories, command prompt, right? So now I'm basically going to ping our server, ping 192.168.0.1. Right? Send for, receive for, loss 0. Alright, as you can see, it's working. So now I'm gonna ping with our XP, all programs, accessories again, command prompt. Right? So I'm gonna ping our server 192.168.0.1. Ping. Right? Send for, receive for, loss 0. So you can see it's working again. So now I'm gonna ping from our server to our clients. Right? We're gonna go down command prompt, click on start command prompt. We're gonna ping to our PCs we just added 192.168.0.2. Right? Right, send for, receive for. Right, 192. Wait. Oopsie, just forgot something. 192.168.0.3. Right? So, as you can see, send for, receive for, 0. So now I'm going to use our XP and I'm going to ping from XP to Windows 7. So I'm going to put ping 192.168.0.3. Right? Send for, receive for, loss 0. Right? So I'm going to minimize that. Now I'm going to our Windows 7 and I'm going to ping from Windows 7 to Windows XP. Right? Ping 192.168.0.2. Okay, so as you can see, our IP address has been configured and everything is running smoothly. So you have ping from our server, to our clients, from our clients to client, and clients to server. Okay, so now we're basically going to join our PCs to our domain. So I'm going to start with Windows 7, click start, right click, go on computer, then properties. I'm going to click on change settings. Right, on our change setting, I'm going to click on change. I'm going to go on domain and I'm going to put in the name of our domain, which is supralab.com. Right, so this is our name of our domain. If you do not remember, you can always just basically go on our server, go on Server Manager and click on Server Manager, and as you can see, supralab.com, and this is our IP address. We have put in as our server IP address, right? And this is our name, our domain, supralab.com. So we just gonna go back to our Windows 7, click OK, right? They're gonna ask us to put in our username and password. We're gonna type in administrator, the password, okay. Okay, apparently I have made a mistake. Click OK. And okay, welcome to supralab.com. So we have to reset this, sorry. I'm sorry for the noises you're hearing in background, please bear with me. I'm going to select on restart now. So while this is restarting, we're going to join our Windows XP to our domain now. So we're going to click start, right click on my computer, properties, same thing like we just did with Windows 7. This is going to be a little bit different because general, and now we're going to go on computer name, click change. I'm going to put in our domain, supralab.com, and click OK. Put in our administrator tab, put in our password, click OK. Alright, welcome to supralab.com. I'm going to click OK, and we have to reset our password. So now we're going to reset our PC, so we're going to reset our PC, right? Okay. Now I'm going to go to Windows Server. I'm going to go to Active Directories, users, supralab.com. I'm going to go on users account, right? I'm going to right click. This is on our Windows Server. Remember this, Windows Server 2008. Right click. I'm going to click on new and user. Right? I'm going to put in our name. I'm going to basically put in this as Kevin. That's our first name. Our last name, Ram. I'm just going to put this on caps lock, and our username are going to be Kevin. Okay? Logon name will be Kevin. Click next. User must change password on next login. I'm going to untick this, right? I'm going to put in our password now, P. Right, you can click any one of these if you want. Account is disabled, password never expires, user account change password. I'm gonna just leave it on tick. I'm gonna click next and finish. Right, you see this is our user we have created, and I'm going to our computers, and these are our computers who have joined our network: Kevin Win 7 PC and James XP. Right. This is our Windows XP client, and this is our Windows 7. Just to remind you, okay? So now our clients have been restarted. So I'm gonna click on machine, insert Control Alt Delete. I'm gonna click on options, supralab.com, put in our username, backslash Kevin, put in our password P. Right, click OK, and we are going to load up onto our domain. And now I'm going to do the same thing on Windows 7. Click machine, insert, Ctrl Alt Delete. I'm going to click on switch user, other user, log on to Supralab. You see it comes up. I'm going to put Supralab backslash Kevin, put in our password, and I'm going to log in, and this one has been logged in. So we're going back to our Windows XP now, right? I'm gonna go on my computer, close off this. I'm gonna go on my net computer. Sorry, I made a mistake here. I'm gonna go on, right click on my computer, properties, and computer, computer name, domain supralab.com, full computer name jamesxpsupralab.com. So this shows that we have joined our domain. Alright, so I'm going to go on Windows 7 now and just basically show you this. Okay, this is taking a little while to upload. Okay, click on start, right click, properties, right, computer name Kevin Win 7 PC, Kevin Win 7 PC, supralab.com. So this basically shows you that you have joined the domain supralab.com. So basically we configured our IP address, made sure that our file sharing and all our network discovery was on Windows XP and on Windows 7. We ping our clients. We showed that we can ping from our server to our clients and from clients to clients. So, and then we join our computers, our clients to our domain. So that's my tutorial for today. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks.